Welcome back, everyone. Hello. There are 12 verb tenses in English. This video will teach you about the 3 simple verb tenses: simple present, simple past, and simple future. Simple past is a verb tense used for finished actions, things that happened in the past. It rained yesterday. I ran in the park. We built a house. This happened in the past. It could also be something that has a definite beginning and end in the past. It rained for 4 hours. I ran in the park from 1 to 3. We built a house in 6 months. The beginning and the end were both in the past. This happened. Simple future is a verb tense used for actions that will happen in the future. It will rain tomorrow. I will run in the park. We will build a house. You can add will to make a simple future sentence, or you can add be going to. It is going to rain. I am going to run in the park. We are going to build a house. Both will and be going to mean a simple future sentence. Simple present is a verb tense used for repeated actions and things that are always true. It's actually not used for things happening right now. It rains in the spring. Past springs, this spring, and future springs rain. I run in the park every day. We build houses. That's what we do. Or things that are always true. I am an American. He is a doctor. Cheetahs are fast. This happens. For a quick review: simple past, finished actions. He cooked dinner. I went to France. Simple present, always true, repeated actions. He cooks dinner. I go to France. Simple future, actions in the future. He is going to cook dinner. I will go to France. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. See you next time.